Trying this churro burger right now. I made it in Houston, try it out. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alright, first thing I'm doing is trying these fries out. Alright, fries were good. Crispy, had a little kick. It's sort of like putting a Burger King fry with a checker fry. It was good. 9 out of 10. Alright, I got the vegan OG burger. I was expecting a certain taste. I didn't get that. This tastes like a real burger. Good, real good. Flavor. Bread was tasty. I didn't want the cheese, but I just got it. So good. I didn't even care about the cheese on my upper lip. You see it. I don't care. I gotta enjoy this burger. Take a moment.